Okay, so we're at McComas Funeral Home at we're descaling some cast iron. We're at the bathrooms up by the office. We're in the public bathroom by the office. We're at a clean out. And so we descaled it and cleaned it. And I want to discuss a couple issues here. Number one, there's a T. When you flush the office bathroom or the public bathroom in the hallway, half goes the right way, half goes the wrong way. So I also noticed in the bathroom there's 4-ply toilet paper. That is not breaking down fast enough. The toilet paper has to be changed because it's sitting here. I've seen it several times. We flush it, it'll sit there. It does not break up. So there's that T. So we descaled this line. Show you what it looks like. There's a turn. We're going to go about 60 some feet before we hit the main. We also descaled the main. The bottom and the sides are looking way better than they were. Flush this toilet again. All the debris out, we backed it out. There comes your toilet now. We're ready to hit the main in a minute. That's the camera in the main. Now unfortunately where it ties into the main, that's also a T, and it's leaning back the wrong way. So when water flows, some water heads this way too. That's another problem. So we're going to pull out. We'll do a video of the main. We're working on that now. So this line is done. I'm going to pause this video so when we videotape the rest of the whole main to the septic. So we're going to go in pause mode until that's ready. Okay, so what you just saw there, I just pushed you from the main line all the way down to the septic tank cleanouts. I'm going to shut this water off, and we're going to look at the pipe. We just descaled it. Okay, so we're coming back from the cleanout after descaling the whole main and the branch line feeding the bathrooms to the office and the public. So we're going to pull back.
Everything runs pretty good except that T, right?
Yeah, there's couple issues of concern, which I'm going to show you another one. That clean out right there, that's the clean out that's outside in the carport.
Oh, okay. Are you coming back this way?
Yes, yep. Coming back, I'm going to show you where that T is for the bathroom and explain a couple things to you.
Okay. I'll try to pass that on to the son.
Yeah, but it'll be on the video.
Okay.
So you don't have to remember it, and I'll explain it to him.
So you're making a video?
Yeah, it's a video. It's taping us right now.
Okay. This is all cast iron.
All cast.
71, that's what we put in.
Yep. Sure is.
Now, I'll admit to you, I built it. I didn't pay a whole lot of attention to the plumbing part of it.
Yeah, but they did like everybody else. It's no different than any other place. Just they use these tees, which today are not allowed to be used because they wreak havoc. I see it all the time. All right, so right there is your laundry sink. See that right there?
Yeah.
That's the laundry. All right, now that is your connection to those bathrooms.
Okay.
That T. So what happens here at this T is the water hits, half goes the right way, half goes the wrong way. Now the only unfortunate thing
coming from this.
Correct. And the bad thing is this T unfortunately is tilted the wrong way now. It's settled. So if I run water, a little bit of water, instead of going down, it turns left. It turns left towards that. So when I got here today, the whole line was backed up. You were ready to back up. But, so we descaled it. We're hoping. The other issue is that toilet paper is going to get you. I hate to tell you, there's no way you can use that thick toilet paper. Or you can try it and see what happens. Yeah. But earlier when I was doing this and I had it cleared, a ton of that thick toilet paper came up towards that clean out. And it wasn't like breaking up.
Okay.
So, I videotaped that. Too. Chris, flush that toilet, please. I'll show you where it comes out. Yeah, today's world, they would make them use a Y because it's more directional, you know.
So the only way to correct that is jackhammer it and put a Y in there.
And so, like I said,
would that alleviate that?
Well, that'll alleviate that, but that still doesn't get you out of the woods with everything. So, you know, I think this is the first thing that you should try before you go anything. You know, it's always a gamble. I tell everybody, it could be like you're in Las Vegas and you spent the money and we accomplished something, but it might not solve your problem. It's something you got to try. Yeah. You don't know. So see it come out? Yeah. See it come towards me?
I see that, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That'll be damned.
And a little bit of it will go up the other way, too, back towards the toilet. But we descaled it. The pipe is 100 times better than it was. Oh, yeah. as you can see.
Well, one flush at a time is all right. If you get a bunch of people, 200 people in here, and they're all flushing at the same time.
But I think we bettered your chances. You know?
Okay.
So we're coming out and show you the rest of it. Turns. I mean, we really cleaned her up pretty darn good.
Yeah, I mean,
yeah.
mine limited knowledge.
No, it's. I mean, we're not going to make it brand new. We're going to make it a lot better. And that debris is very hard to get out.
Is it really?
Oh yes. People don't.
You vacuum it out, you said?
I vacuumed out, I jetted out, I pulled it out, a little bit of everything. I backed a lot of it out. It's a combination of everything. So, and there's your clean out there.
Should they have the tanks pumped after this?
Probably. Just make sure they backwash it real good and clean it real good.